still the same.
You are better than this.
You don't know me.
You were wrong. I wasn't better.
The school is closed.
I know. I used to study here. So did I. Once.
City grade. My father taught here.
What was his name?
Teacher Salim.
I was a student who broke his... He tried to help me. I laughed at him. Then I left school.
My life became small. My father kept this.
My father forgave you long ago.
Then why do I still hear footsteps?
Because someone is still walking with you.
Remind us of guilt. Others guide us toward forgiveness. The difference is whether we stop or walk on.